Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة إنما يأمركم بالسوء والفحشاء وأن تقولوا على الله ما لا تعلمون. Translation: For he commands you only to evil and immorality, and say about Allah what you do not know. In the previous ayah, we saw that Allah commanded us not to follow the footsteps of shaitan, as he is our open enemy. And in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the details of three acts or three sins that shaitan asks us to do. He orders us to do. And what are those? The first one is su. Su meaning an bad action, a sinful action. And the second one is fahsha or immorality. So the immorality is about the akhlaq of, about the manners of a human being, while the su is about the action. And the third thing, he commands us that we associate things to Allah incorrectly or false things. And these three are big sins that he orders us to do. And we have seen that shaitan is our enemy because he hated the status of Adam alayhi salam, and Allah gave him the status, and he did not prostrate to Adam alayhi salam because he was jealous and he was arrogant, and that is the reason that he became mardud and he became shaitan. So he wants all the children of Bani Adam, all the children of Adam alayhi salam, to go in the hellfire because he is certain that he is going in the hellfire. Now, this topic is also mentioned in ayah number 28 in Surah Araf. Translation: And when they commit immorality, indecency, they say, we found our forefathers doing that, and Allah commanded us to do this. Say, indeed, Allah never orders immorality or indecency. Why do you say such foul things against Allah that you do not know? So we must not invent anything in the deen the which is called the invention in the deen, or bidat in Arabic. So the other thing is that sometimes shaitan asks us to do some good thing. This is a fine point. Pay attention to understand. And the example, maybe he can wake us up for the salah of tahajjud like 3 o'clock in the morning, and then he will make us sleep so that we miss the fajr salah, which is first. So to do a small good deed or a smaller good deed, he wants us to miss the bigger good deed. So to do a nafil at the cost of missing a fard. Shaitan has different tactics for different people. For a doctor, he will have a different tactic. For a common man, he will have a different tactic. For a businessman, for a student, for a teacher, everyone, he will have a different tactic. And this is described in a book that I love. It's called Talbis Iblis, and the English translation is also available, which is known as The Devil's Deception by Imam Jauzi. This is very important to a very good book, and very important to understand the different tricks of shaitan because he uses different tricks for different people. Let's pray that Allah give us understanding and give us the vision so that we can save ourselves from the tricks of shaitan. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.